What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll show you how to block Temu ads on YouTube. So blocking Temu ads on YouTube here can be kind of complicated, so there are a few things here that we need to understand. Now, when we talk about ads appearing on YouTube here, to be speaking, the ads that you currently see, so maybe like videos or any pop-ups in here, or any like sections here that, as you can see, like there's ad sections there. So to be speaking, those ads that are actually randomized. Now, what you can do here to minimize the amount of ads that you could do see here is, to be speaking, if you do see one, you should be able to, like, for example, go to your ad center. So for example, for this one, you have this ad. You go and click on the three-dotted option here, and you should see the option here that says block. So if you don't want to see that specific ad appear in your screen, you can go and just click on the block button here, and that should block any ads coming from that specific brand or post or any business company. So yeah, so that's one way for you to basically block Temu ads on YouTube if they actually appear. But if you want to permanently block Temu from your YouTube account, well, that's going to be really hard, especially if you're just using the free account or you're not subscribed to any YouTube Premium. Now, ads in YouTube here is, we need to understand this, is randomized. So to be speaking here, sometimes they will recommend certain ads targeted for you. So if you allow that when you're in your account. But to be speaking, we don't have any control on what appears or what ads appear in your account if you don't have like a premium account for YouTube. Now, if you want to basically get a premium account with YouTube or YouTube Premium, you can go ahead and go to your account at the bottom right here. And in this case, you should see the get YouTube Premium here and just subscribe into their premium plan in order for you to block any ads, generally speaking here, or just demo ads appearing in your YouTube account. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.